When it comes to decorating your home for Christmas, one detail that often makes a huge difference, but sometimes gets overlooked, is the centerpiece on the dining table. Think about it for a moment. The table is where so many meaningful moments happen during the holidays. It's where family and friends gather for meals, where laughter is shared, where stories are told, and where memories are created. Having a centerpiece during Christmas is not just about adding something pretty in the middle of the table. It's about creating an atmosphere that feels festive, warm, and complete. The centerpiece often acts like the heart of the dining room, tying together all the decorations around it and giving that extra spark of Christmas magic. One of the biggest advantages of having a Christmas centerpiece is that it immediately transforms a simple dinner into something special. Even if the rest of your decorations are minimal, just having a well-thought-out centerpiece makes everything feel more intentional and festive. It sets the tone the moment people sit down. Imagine walking into a dining room and seeing the glow of candles surrounded by greenery, pine cones, and maybe a few ornaments. That instantly makes you feel the season. It tells your guests that this is not just any meal, it's Christmas. Another benefit is that a centerpiece allows you to express your personal style in a creative and fun way. You can go rustic with natural elements like branches, pine cones, and berries. You can go luxurious with metallic accents, crystals, and tall, elegant candles. You can keep it playful with miniature Christmas figurines, Santa decorations, or even a small Christmas village right in the center of the table. It's flexible, and it's a reflection of you and the type of Christmas vibe you want to create at home. The importance of a centerpiece goes beyond just aesthetics. It also has a practical function of bringing focus and balance to the table setting. Without a centerpiece, sometimes a table looks unfinished or even a little empty, no matter how beautiful your plates, cutlery, and glasses might be. A centerpiece creates a visual anchor, and it makes the dining experience feel more complete. It's like the final touch that makes everything come together. There are also emotional benefits. Think about how during Christmas, so much is about tradition and creating feelings of comfort. A centerpiece contributes to that cozy atmosphere, making the dining space feel more intimate. When people see that effort has been put into the details, they feel cared for. It tells your family and guests that you wanted to make this celebration truly special for them, and that kind of feeling is priceless. Now, when it comes to suggestions, one of the best tips is to make sure your centerpiece matches the size of your table. If you have a long dining table, you can play with a garland that runs across the middle, decorated with ornaments, candles, and ribbons. If you have a smaller, round table, a compact arrangement like a floral bouquet mixed with Christmas greenery might be the perfect choice. Always think about proportion so that it feels balanced and doesn't take up too much space. Another idea is to add height, but not too much. You want your centerpiece to stand out, but you also want people to be able to see each other across the table. Tall candles or slim glass vases are a good way to create dimension without blocking conversation. When choosing colors, you can stick to traditional Christmas tones like red, green, and gold, or go for something more unique like silver and blue for a winter wonderland look, or even blush pinks and champagne tones for a more elegant, modern style. The key is to match the centerpiece with the rest of your home's holiday decor, so it feels cohesive. If you enjoy a more natural look, you can create a centerpiece with fresh pine branches, eucalyptus, and holly berries. The scent alone adds another layer to the holiday atmosphere. Combine them with pine cones and maybe a few cinnamon sticks tied with twine, and you'll have not only a beautiful piece but also one that smells like Christmas. For those who like a little more glam, try using a mirror tray as the base and placing candles, ornaments, and even small figurines on top. The reflection from the mirror adds depth and makes the centerpiece sparkle, especially under warm Christmas lights. Another creative idea is to use something unexpected as your centerpiece. For example, fill a large glass bowl or vase with ornaments in your chosen color scheme. It's simple, but it looks polished and festive. Or you could even use a small tabletop Christmas tree decorated to match your larger one in the living room. That adds a fun, whimsical touch to the dining experience. If you like DIY projects, Christmas centerpieces are the perfect chance to get crafty. You can make your own arrangements using things you already have at home. Empty wine bottles can be spray-painted gold or silver and used as candle holders. Mason jars filled with cranberries, greenery, and water with floating candles look absolutely stunning and cost very little. It's all about being creative and thinking about how everyday objects can be transformed into holiday decor. It's also nice to keep versatility in mind. Some people create a centerpiece that can last through the entire season, while others like to change it up for different gatherings. For example, you might have a simple, rustic arrangement for everyday dinners in December, and then bring out a more extravagant, glittery design for Christmas Eve or Christmas Day when the whole family is together. The beauty of a centerpiece is that it's adaptable to your traditions. If your family enjoys baking, you could even use a tiered cake stand filled with Christmas cookies and treats as the centerpiece. Not only does it look festive, but it also invites everyone to enjoy the goodies together. Let's walk through how you could put together a simple yet stunning Christmas centerpiece step by step, something that anyone can recreate at home without needing professional decorating skills. Imagine starting with a base. This could be a tray, a wooden board, or even just a runner down the center of your table. Having a base helps anchor the centerpiece and gives it structure, plus it makes it easier to move if you need to clear the table for serving food. Next, bring in some greenery. You can use real pine branches if you have access to them, or artificial garlands if you want something that lasts the entire season. Lay the greenery across the base, letting it flow naturally. Don't worry about making it perfect. A little asymmetry often looks more authentic and cozy. Once the greenery is in place, tuck in some pine cones, berries, or even cinnamon sticks for texture and a festive scent. After that, sprinkle in some sparkle. Ornaments in your color scheme are perfect for this. Choose different sizes and scatter them naturally through the greenery. Metallic ornaments in gold, silver, or copper always catch the light beautifully and instantly elevate the design. If you're feeling playful, you can even add mini Christmas figurines, like little reindeer or Santa decorations, nestled in between the branches. The last detail is layering in some twinkle. A string of battery-operated fairy lights can be woven through the greenery, wrapping around the ornaments and candles. The soft glow makes the centerpiece come alive, especially in the evening when the lights are dimmed. It creates that magical Christmas atmosphere that feels both cozy and elegant at the same time. Once everything is in place, step back and take a look. Adjust anything that feels off balance. Maybe add a few more ornaments, or move a candle slightly to create symmetry. What's great about this kind of centerpiece is that it's flexible. You can make it as minimal or as extravagant as you like, depending on your taste and the occasion. If you're hosting different gatherings throughout December, you can even swap out small elements to refresh the look without starting from scratch. For example, you could add small red bows for one dinner, switch to silver ornaments for another, or even include fresh flowers like poinsettias for a more colorful version. The beauty of a DIY centerpiece like this is that it blends creativity with practicality. It looks impressive to your guests, yet it's surprisingly easy to put together. And because you can personalize it with items you already own, it feels unique to your home and your family's traditions. At the end of the day, the centerpiece is not just decoration. It's a signal that this season is special, that you've created a space where people can gather, celebrate, and feel the joy of Christmas. It's those little details, like the glow of a candle reflecting off a shiny ornament or the scent of pine drifting through the room, that stick in people's memories and make them feel at home. That's the real importance of having a Christmas centerpiece. It's not about impressing anyone with something extravagant, but about capturing the spirit of the holiday and letting it shine at the heart of your table. Whether you keep it simple with greenery and candles or go all out with glitter and lights, what matters most is the warmth and love that it represents when everyone comes together around it. So in the end, having a Christmas centerpiece is about so much more than just decoration. It's about creating atmosphere, showing thoughtfulness, and making those holiday moments at the table feel even more special. It brings a sense of completion to your holiday decor, it allows you to express your personality, and it enhances the overall experience for you and your loved ones. Whether you prefer something simple and natural, elegant and glamorous, or creative and fun, the centerpiece is a detail that has the power to elevate your Christmas celebration in ways that you and your guests will always remember.